So the last time I didn't have the headlight, so now we can see here. Got the headlight. It's pretty sweet. It's got this weird design, but that like outer ring basically glows, which is cool because it basically makes you more visible at night while you're riding. And then of course it also actually gives you a beam that kind of shoots like right here around the tires, which actually I can just show you. Hit the power button, and then it's really easy if you use the app to do it because there's literally a button that says lights, but we can also do it here. There we go. Okay, you just hold the up button, that's what it was. Hold the up button and that'll turn the headlights on. So yeah, boom. But yeah, it makes like this kind of I don't know, looks almost like an eyeball. But yeah, check it out from the front. It's pretty effing bright. Yeah, so you can see the three little things again. And you know, maybe if we change our white balance, that might help some. There we go. But yeah, see, so this little thing kind of illuminates as well, which doesn't really give you a whole lot of light, but it makes it more visible. And then of course this part actually shoots the beam out, which again you can kind of see it here. Shows you around like your tires, and then of course out in front of you where you're headed. It definitely looks better with the light now. Gives it that full completed look, but yeah. And then of course, yeah, the back, it's got the brake light. So the brake light is always on, and then of course when you actually brake, it gets brighter. So pretty sweet. Okay, so again, like I was saying, it's a lot easier on the phone because it literally just has it at the bottom. You just hit lights. Oops. And the lights turn on. Swoop. Lights off. Lights on. Or again, hold the up button and do the same thing. Hold it again. Toggle it on and off. I'll test out this headlight outside. See how bright it is. It's not bad, but it's a really weird shape, and it's really, I don't know, I guess one small area